Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some tips, very quick and simple tips for the Ductwork system. So if you have a wall penetration that the duct is going through a firewall or fire smoke wall or a smoke partition, after the penetrating, you need to fill this penetration. You need to fill this hole with the fire resistant material. And the second one, before you wrap the ductwork with insulation, you gotta test your system based on a SMACNA. We have all the tables in the SMACNA that's based on what pressure you gotta test your system. So again, before any installation, you gotta make sure that there is no leakage. Number three, after installation and before the test, you gotta provide mastic for all the fittings, just to make sure that the leakage is very low and in the range that recommended by SMACNA. And the last one that I'm going to cover in this video is the balancing dampers. The balancing dampers are very important. Don't forget them. So if you look at all the branches here, and same thing on this side, we have the balancing dampers. We use these balancing dampers to make sure that all the airflow for all the diffusers for each branch is going to match with the same numbers that we have in the drawings. So that's very important. Please don't forget them. On each branch we have them. So please let me know what you think in the comments below, and please share this video with your friends if you liked it.